How to market yourself as a Pilates teacher. Tip number 2, create value posts. So when I say posts, I mean for social media, but you can also extend that into whatever communication tool you're using to communicate with your clients. So you might be communicating with them through email newsletters, and you can then create some themes for your email newsletters, maybe sending them out monthly. What I mean by value is that you give them some of your knowledge. You share some of your knowledge with them, just like I'm doing with you now. So this YouTube video is essentially a value post because I'm helping you to improve your marketing. I'm giving you a tip. So those kinds of tips, they don't have to take up pages and pages, that it doesn't have to be in depth, but you can give people some information that's going to help them to be better at the thing they want to be better at. So if it is their general health and well-being, maybe you're going to do a post about sleep or the importance of having enough vitamin C. If it is specifically towards a particular sport or for dancers, you're going to explain to them how Pilates is going to help them to improve their sporting performance or their dance technique. So you might just say you can improve your pirouettes, or you could say you could jump higher if you're a basketball player by using some of these techniques. So I guess you get my drift. You want to add some value, you want to give some information to people so they go, oh wow, that's really good advice, yes. And then if they want to go and do Pilates, they go, well, I really liked what that person shared. Maybe I'll go and check out their website. Maybe I'll go and do some Pilates classes with them.